Hi guys, it's me again, Shumei, and welcome to my cooking channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you as one of my viewers. For today's recipe, let's make cheesy fried bread. So without further ado, let's start cooking. Like this recipe? Let's talk about it in the comment section. And please turn on your notifications so you won't miss any of my latest recipe updates. For the exact list of ingredients, please check the description box. Thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you again on my next cooking vlog. Keep safe and God bless everyone. Happy cooking!